Hello and welcome to another video at Hit Bullseye. I welcome all the MBA aspirants to this video because in this video we are going to learn that how you can fill up your CAT application in the most simplified manner. Okay, so let's get on with it. Open up Google and type CAT 2021 and just click over here. So this is the home page for CAT 2021 where you have to fill up your application. Just go on to this new candidate registration, register yourself. The process is actually very simplified. You just need to follow the steps. Close over here, close over here. Now you just fill in your details and generate OTP. Now you have to check your phone for the OTP as well as your email address. So when you go for the phone OTP, so this verification is important. So you again have to put in these numbers and letters. Click on I agree and submit. Yes, your registration is 30% completed. Now, this is your application form. This is how it is going to look like. Go to application form. Now over here, you just need to fill in all your details that are required. Your communication address, your emergency contacts, and then your document upload is there. So you have to upload a passport size photograph and your signature. The dimensions can be less than 100 KB. That is the most safest dimension. You can just try and upload with that. Please upload scanned copy of NCOBC. If you fall under a category, then you have to upload your certificate. Now, if you look down, you will see the document upload. You need to click here for the specification of the sample photograph. So over here, all the dimensions, the size of the photograph is given. Make sure that you don't have any improper lighting or your face is covered or you have a blue background. So just avoid these things. Always have a clear photograph in which your facial area is more than 50 to 60%. So you can just look at this. This is the right way to have a photograph clip. The side face, you cannot put in your side face, and these are the specifications, and that's it. Going back, click here to upload. You can drag or drop, or you can just browse through your computer. So for every individual you have this. So when you are uploading your photographs, you have photograph as a default highlight. Now click over here, and let's say we do any photograph as in just for the sake of uploading. Now once the photo is uploaded, it will automatically redirect you to the signature part. Click on upload and then just take your signatures and upload it. File has been successfully uploaded. Now close it. Both the documents are uploaded. Save and continue. Okay, data set successfully. Now you have to put in your bachelor's degree details. Now this is the most important part where maximum students are very confused at how to go with that. Now bachelor's degree details. If you are in the final year, that means if you are in your 7th semester or you are just passing from 6th to 7th semester, then you have to say that yes, I am in the final year. Click on yes. Have you completed your bachelor's degree? You have to click no. Right? So definitely you haven't completed your bachelor's degree, so you cannot click no. Now if you are saying that you are in the final year or you are at the 6th semester, then definitely that means in 2022 you are going to complete your course. That means your course must have started in 2018. If you don't know the exact date or month of completion of your course, just put in a tentative date, that is May or June, and the year. Definitely that will be a surety. Aggregate marks or promotion. So promotion, pass without marks, or aggregate marks. This you have to figure it out yourself. Now aggregate marks as of now, whatever marks that you have. So let's say 90%. Are you going under a dual degree course, a 5-year integrated course? So a lot of students are there who are already enrolled into a BTech MTech course or a BTech MBA course or a BA MBA course. So according to that, you can just figure it out if you are enrolled in a 5-year dual degree course or not. Click here if you have more than one bachelor's degree. So if you click over here, then again you have to fill in all the details. Other professional details. Are you a fellow of the Institute of Actuaries of India? Up to you. If you are, then click yes. If you are not, then click no. Do you want to enter any professional degrees such as CA, CS, ICWA? This will again is an independent question which is not related to everyone. So if you have done any of such courses, then click yes and provide the details again. So for all the students who don't have any other degrees, they can just say no, save and continue. Yes, again. So now the 10th marks is left. So you have to select CBSE or whatever board that you're from. Now again, if you have any work experience, then you can select the industry type, the date when it started and when you are going to end it, or if you have already ended. Break in experience is something, so let's suppose if you have 2 jobs which you have already done, so if you had any break like a month or a year between both these jobs, then you can put in that. Now when I talk about your program name, so you have to select any 2 preferred cities, or you can select all. Then it depends upon your interview preference, so whichever city that you prefer your interview to be scheduled, you can just select that. So I'll just go with a single selection. So let's just say I'm Ahmedabad PGP program. I'll just select my first location as Ahmedabad and the second as Bangalore, just for the default sake. Now here you can approach any, you can select all, whatever IIMs that you want to apply, whatever programs that you want to apply. So you just have to go through very thoroughly. Whatever that is your goal, work according to that, select the options according to that, save and continue. Now again, you have to give your preferred test cities, so 1, 2, 3, whatever test cities that you are very much comfortable with, whatever that is near to your home. And I would suggest that you should always go with the one which is near to your hometown. And again, you should always choose test cities as. Now my suggestion to you would be, fill up the form as soon as possible, so that when you're getting your admit card, you will definitely get the city that you have already chosen for yourself. Okay. Now if I just choose this, now save and continue. Now choose your test cities, your test centers which are close to your hometown, because you never know, because of the COVID situation, anything can happen. And it is always advisable that you fill up the form as soon as possible, so that you can get your preferred test city which you have preferred in the first place. Now when you put all these 6 test cities, save and continue, and then proceed for payment. It's 2200 for the general category, and then you can just put in whatever your payment mode is, your details, and you will be done with the procedure. Thank you for watching the video. If you are looking out for CAT preparation, Hit Bullseye is a one-stop solution for all your needs. We have the live interactive classes, we have a crash course going on, we have the best test series in the town. Find the links in the description below and you will get to us. Thank you.